Navratri, also called Durga Puja, is a 9-day festival celebrated to honor Goddess Durga and her several incarnations. The word Navratri is derived from a Sanskrit word that translates Nava as 9 and Ratri as night. Each day is dedicated to one of the 9 avatars of Goddess Durga. The 10th day, that is commonly referred to as Vijayadashmi or Dasara, celebrates the victory of Goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura after 9 days of battle. Vijayadashmi also marks the victory of Lord Rama over the 10-headed demon king Ravana, thus signifying the victory of good over evil. The final 3 days of Navratri, Durgashtami, Mahanavami and Vijayadashmi, are set apart for the worship of Goddess Saraswati. Children place their books, musicians their musical instruments, workers their tools, and soldiers place their weapons at the feet of Goddess Saraswati and seek her blessings. Vijayadashmi is also considered an auspicious day for beginning learning in any field. It is on this day that the kids are introduced to education formally in the presence of Goddess Saraswati. This ceremony of Vijayadashmi is called Vidyarambha.
Good morning to all of you, my dear principal and the members of Martha Preschool family. Wish you all the Navaratri celebrations and Navaratri days. Let us all enjoy the essence of Navaratri. Navaratri celebrates the victory of good over evil. This festival enlightens us to understand the very essence of the importance of women. We are able to recognize the 4 stages of women. Women as a sister, women as a wife, women as a mother, women as a grandmother. All these stages are important for molding our society. So it is our responsibility to respect them and understand them. Now we are living in a world of atrocities against the women. So this time, while we are celebrating the Navaratri, we must understand the goodness of our mother, the goodness of our sister. We must respect them and this Navaratri gives them the strength to stand for the goodness. Navaratri is a time for them to attain the power from Goddess Durga in 9 days through the 9 incarnations. Starts with Shailaputri, then ends with Siddhiratri. The world we are living in a fast moving, one with hardly with any time for oneself. The 9 days of Navaratri are designed to ease out the year-long tiredness and restore mental cool. Navaratri can bring a turning point to your thoughts, mind and body by helping you to undergo the deep meditation. The word Ratri means to give deep rest from botherations. It is just like how it takes 9 months for a child to be born. The same way these 9 days of Navaratri are like coming out from the mother's womb. Once again, a recharge and renew. It's a time for religious reflections, fasting and celebrations. In India, in different countries, different states, it celebrates in different ways. I am remembering the days about the celebration which I had attended in North India. 9 days they used 9 colors to get the 9 attributes. The first day they used orange, which symbolizes energy. Second day, white, it resembles purity. Third day, red resembles fearlessness. Fourth day, royal blue represents prosperity. Fifth day, yellow, a day of happiness. Sixth day, green resembles growth. Seventh day resembles strength. Grey resembles strength. Eighth day, purple, it's the power of intellect. And ninth day, pink, represents compassion. So let us start with energy and decide ourselves and pass through all these colors and ends with compassion. We must develop a community of compassion. I wish all of you to celebrate Navaratri as a victory of good over evil. May God bless each one of you.
कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी मा మద మగ మగ సగ మద మగ గమ దని దమ మదని సగ స మగ సని ద సని ద మగ సగ మదని మామవతు శ్రీ సరస్వతి కామ కోటి పీఠ నివాసిని మామవతు శ్రీ సరస్వతి సరస్వతి సరస్వతి
Navaratri is one of the most prominent festival of India. It is celebrated with great vigor and enthusiasm. The festival of Durga Puja and Vijayadashami, which is also known as Dasara or Ayudha Puja, is also celebrated during this time. On this occasion, people celebrate with great vigor and enthusiasm and happiness. It is a time of celebration. It is also a time of victory of good over evil. On this occasion, I wish each one of you and your family a happy Navaratri with health, wealth, happiness and prosperity.
Mm-hmm.